All right, we're here at Lamar Place for a quick tour of unit D306. Now, walking in the front door of this home, you can't help but notice right away this fireplace on the right with this very large living room, nice big new fan at the top, accent wall with two-tone paint there. I want to go back in this corner so you can really get a sense of this space with the kitchen and of course, kind of the dining room over here on the left. You can see you have a long bar, double sink there, some black appliances, including a dishwasher, and plenty of cabinet space as well. Over here on the right, going down the hallway, you'll notice that it has connections for a stackable washer and dryer. Moving into the master bedroom, you can see that you have your own balcony back here. Go outside. Looking back into the master, obviously there's a closet at the back. Your master bathroom back here as well. Everything's super clean. You see a touchscreen thermostat. Here is your guest bathroom. In the hallway, there's also extra storage and a laundry chute down below. And then finally, the second bedroom with a couple of windows at the back. Nice new fan in here as well, and another closet. So this is D306 at Lamar Place. Come see us. Thanks.